A chemical-free and maintenance-free way to purify water that eradicates suspended bacteria and algae in the water column that contribute to cloudy and green water, respectively. Helps prevent the growth of cyanobacteria that often smothers and destroys aquatic plants and does not harm beneficial, surface-dwelling bacteria. CCFL, cold cathode fluorescent light, technology runs cooler than traditional UVC bulbs to last up to 30,000 hours, 3x longer. Quickly connects inline to all canister filter hosing with an internal diameter of 5/8 or 16 mm, including all Fluval 07 and 06 series filters, not for use with Fluval FX Series. For use in freshwater, saltwater and even turtle aquariums where algae is often present. Top reviews from the United States. Wow, what a difference. When I moved, the water was clear when I added new water conditioner, just like I did before I moved, then it started to go green. I left it thinking it will clear up. When it didn't, I did another water change. Same thing happened. I did my research and didn't want to add chemicals to the water. I have the same brand of filter, canister, so I decided to go with it after all the reviews too. The green water cleared up in a few days. I had people that came over and commented on how much clearer the tank looks even before and ask what I did to get it look so clear. I thought I would be the only one that noticed the water so much clearer. So glad I got it and wish I got it before.